Our brother supposed know this woman came to mock him and mock his wife. How? If we just knock, I go give you boys. Knowing fully well, say the woman not get boys. That is a thing of shame and disdain. You see, because now that's the way they pay the wife now. Now you want carry come. And even on the platform where they said to me this morning, say, if I don't born boys for you, then I the consaga your wife. They say na 3 way 4. Now me go to climb down. I'm mute my mic.
I have something
Thank
to
you
say.
so much. No, Galat, wait. Thank you. Love it, are you there? Two minutes, please.
Yeah. Thank you, Mama.
2 minutes. I hear.
Okay. My contribution for this whole thing is that this thing where they go on, so I not blame Enogie like that. I blame that woman. That woman when they was mass when go they ask Enogie out. If I don't first hear this say for another platform, say now the woman now he toast Enogie, not Enogie toast him. So the main issue here be say Enogie he not sleep with the woman, he sleep with her. No. We don't need to judge him. He never sleep with the woman, say okay, sleep with his wife. And he never reached to that stage when we see him with his wife come they fight for social media. Everybody will come to hear. Now issue when they're supposed to settle inside together. He and his wife. But as for that, the other woman, when we say in the husband can't go they ask another man when you get wife and you know your wife, you get a be. That it no make sense at all for woman. And that woman ain't supposed to take this topic. Ain't supposed to take the person where we're supposed to talk to. We need to talk to her because I feel very, very sorry for the husband. I feel bad for the husband of that woman. If that woman, husband, na better mama when get pride, you need to leave that woman. Because now this is no own. Now make now come bring come out. Meaning say na normal thing for her, na something when be say she the first do before. Any man when like, you go after the man. And that kind of thing, they make man the last. They make man the progress. They bring man down. For me, the reason why I want to contribute for this thing, now because of that man, not be Enogie. That woman, now because of that woman, that married woman, I make me talk. Because this thing not good at all. What did this woman do? Oh, yeah, do. They pay your bride price. You know fear abomination. Say, our ancestors, you go affect the man when you get children for. The woman get that mind to want go run after another man. Now, very, very bad thing. The reason why I don't feel judge Enogie because Enogie never sleep with her. I would say maybe Enogie sleep with the woman. Now I would say, you go to sleep with woman when the husband. You know, no. He never sleep with her. So I don't get what I want judge Enogie for. Now that woman I get issue with. Thank you because my time don't run out.
Okay, can
Thank
I just
you so much. Okay, sir. All right, sir.
Good evening. Thank you.
Welcome, sir.
I'm taking a different dimension to this because the way they look this thing, they look at from one side. In life, the way I take life, I have no control over what you say to me. I have total control of my reaction to what you talk. Do you understand? What I'm saying in essence is that I'm blaming her for what she did. I'm not here to support her. But the man, now they give 90% blame. You are a man that does charity work. Charity work is based on integrity and trust. Do you understand? When you do a work like that, when people they come close to you, you have to be very careful. Everybody to you is a suspect. Some are coming genuinely to be friends. Some are coming to pull you down. So you now arm's length you dey deal with people. Would they say na married woman? So are you saying if this woman was not married, was Enogie right for what he did? Was he right? Enogie is a married man. If he wasn't married, I could say, go ahead and do what you want to do. You are married for house. Let's assume this girl is not even married. Let's say she's not married. You have no right to do what you do as a married man. Do you understand? If she comes to you to say this, it is for you to cut them. See, we are all men here, men here. There are times you speak to a woman, the way she go reply you and you know go talk to them again. The block when the first word when she go tell you, the roadblock when she put there, you know go fit jump on. You go know say this one I no go area. You encourage her. To me, that's what I see. You encourage her into this. Now, what is the end game of coming out with all this? What is your end game as a man? Did you think about your wife? Did you think about her emotion, her mental health, to what she go through in all this? Did you? Because sometimes a man not be the two brokers when you carry under you. It takes a lot to be a man. Your actions, your decisions, your activities makes you a man. There are times as a man, things go happen, you go pretend not to see because you want to keep that dignity, you want to keep the peace. Why coming out? When all these things were going on, did you tell your wife? Did you? If the very first day when the woman speak to Enogie come out publicly, I go clap for her. Why now? Why are you coming out? What will be the importance or the significance of you coming out now? What will be your gain? What will be your end game? Do you understand? You they think before you do. What will be your gain for this coming out your mouth the leak? What did you gain? Unnecessary publicity? You put your wife through stress, put her through mental health, and those things. And now the woman get a blame, don't frame, but the man, you should have put a stop to this. If actually you don't want, if you see the word I use, if you don't want, you would have put a stop to around the very first day. You know, if you not even reach this stage, for no reach, nobody for no what happen, you encouraged it. If you not play along, the woman not go feel the saying those messages. If I'm a married man still like this, I get cheek. There are things you go say about my wife. I will tell you, say, do not ever repeat that again. Do not say it. You put a boundary. A woman say, "What come born a boy for you?" What did you discuss with her before? Can she just come up and tell you, say, she won't bomb? When she said that to you, how you to reply her? You tell her, say, they find one picking. Did you tell her you're looking for a male child? You understand? Make you not turn this front and back. The guy, I am blaming him for all this. A woman come to you, cut him off. Don't, whether married or not unmarried, cut out because you are a married man. You have a name, first of all, to maintain of the kind of way they do. You have a family to maintain. You have a wife. You don't think about your wife's emotion, her mental health, what she could go through. You don't think about that. You play along. You're coming out now and make people clap for you, say, you be straight man, you be strong man. It makes no sense to me. I'm not saying Thank you, madam. I do it.
Anybody else to talk? I don't know.
No, now hosts go need to contribute now.
Okay. Let me just add something to it. Let me add something to it.
Now Gallant be say one talk.
Okay, Garland, are you there now?
What I have to say is, Mommy Nora, if you are here, please, since when we know you and your husband for this platform, I am not accusing you that you are a bad woman. Nobody is perfect. I know you guys are presenter, you do all your things in social media. At least a little bit. The way you take a talk to that man, the way the man did the quiet, and not that Enogie is sent to, but put small respect. It dey pain us if we dey look am. Go make the man quiet. Yes, he deserve am, but back of the camera when nobody's watching you, because nobody wey character good. Some of us we see they do am for back of camera. If Enogie don't come up for life, anything where you want do a tear and take cook pepper soup. Because I ain't wrong you. But if the camera they on, no, they bring your husband down. They go use and mock you tomorrow. I beg. I know say I ain't wrong you. He deserve anything where you want do back of the camera. I beg, Mama Nora. They go they use and mock you. They save all the video. Egbe well when I am mock come. No marriage way. People where they are even worst. They go they look your own, they save your own video. We be say wetin they do to their husband. He was pass your own. Camera, when camera on, let your husband do wetin he want do. If he don't close camera, jump on her. Nobody see at that time. They are saving all this video for you. They will use it to mock you. Mama Nora, please. Anything you want to do your husband, no house way free. No woman will come and say, I know they talk to my husband. Oh. Now me they free. Oh. I they respect my husband 100%. No, women, we get score. But not with camera they on. I beg, Mama Laura. Now that one now you come beg you. I beg, if you want to do anything, no, they do away camera, they on. If you feel learn that thing, if you feel learn now, for how many years when you don't they do this thing? I beg, now that one now you can't beg you. If you feel learn now, you go see respect. Nobody go see any video till they mock you again. All these things where they do since yesterday now, yes. Now I no get wrong, but your reaction when you can't the show am for camera, I can't be like saying, now you wrong. Now that one I want you beg you. They beat your husband back of camera, where camera don't close. Okay, oh.
Gallant, I beg,
Thank you
before
so
you
much,
drop,
my beautiful
Princess, I
sister.
beg, before you drop, I just dey cry here because you know why? If Enogie na my brother, wetin Mama Nora they do all the time, I won't take it. So just drop me. I dey very emotional. It's too much. Wanna talk to that woman, man, in the house. I beg.
It's painful, It's painful.
Yeah, no, yeah, I
I
understand.
just they see when
It's
they
not,
cause the man,
it's
and
not
then
funny,
my
but it's not funny.
it's
Now
painful.
the truth be that.
No,
Let's
I
say the
understand.
truth.
Hey,
Now the
class.
truth.
You know what it is?
Now the truth now. And I
Mommy,
you might
Mona
have
said
born a little
it.
way.
Mute
Abemo no
aside.
laugh. Abemo no laugh for this thing.
Please,
Mona,
It's
please,
no
very
please.
laugh
serious.
It's not
now.
funny. It's not funny.
It's
I
not
beg,
funny
I
at
It's
beg.
not
all.
funny
There is
now.
no,
It's
Mona,
not
not the
there
laugh.
is
funny,
This thing
nothing
is not
to
oh.
funny
laugh
at
You're
about.
all.
I beg, I
laughing,
beg,
It's
I
not
beg.
funny,
It's not funny,
please.
oh.
It's
See,
not funny.
princess, wait. I
It's not
understand.
that funny.
Princess,
Mona,
wait,
wait.
wait,
Even I
please, please,
become me
please.
not cry for my own.
Princess, wait. I understand.
Well, mute aside the
Now people we
it's not
know.
funny.
Now people we know the value of home. Now go they laugh about these things. Most of us we here now we are from broken families, from broken homes. Ask yourself this question: You miss fatherly love, you miss motherly love, you were as in were you supposed to be in a monogamous family? Because most of us here we were like, okay, I wish I had a privilege to be born in a nuclear family instead of this polygamous family. Most of us here. So when you see things like this, because this is a threat to family. Now, threat, somebody came to threaten the peace in that family. So there's nothing to laugh about here. And let me tell you guys something. If you see him as, wow, make the guy fall down, make it go down. This is one thing you need to understand. The energy you attract to other people most times stays with you. This is why whenever I see a person, they progress, I always pray this part of my mind. And I believe that make God they always bless me, and I never lack. I don't know why. Maybe I just the grace will follow me. If I see you, they progress. I see you, they give your testimony. My prayer, and I say, God, I'm happy with this person. But God, I beg, as you see, they bless this my brother so or my sister, so I beg, see bless me this way. I will go meet that person sometimes. If in a church, I will still sow seed for water. I will sow seed for water. I say, God, I beg. As this person will take better, maybe I will see better. If I see person they mourn, I not go say, okay, make a count, they laugh the person, they mourn the person. You understand? And you see that our parable say, when person don't die, they don't they get as they don't they carry enmity. As you see they hate person who say don't die. You understand? You mourn with them. So now when they laugh, they take this thing as joke. When I never really experience love for life, and that's the truth. And for those who just look as okay, fine, the guy now our enemy for saga. Be careful. You get a male child, you get a female, you get a daughter. So be very careful because the energy where you attract to people, most times they stay with you. Okay? So in terms of say my brother, bring this thing come social media, bring across social media, first of all, it's condemnable. But we are only looking at it from one angle, say maybe not jealousy. It's not jealousy. You should understand two things here. Wait till Mama Nora talk, one, and wait till Enogie talk, two. Which are, first of all, they saga him as a person. The person will give popularity. The question is, I never knew Bliss or more Bliss. And I can vouch that majority of the people will know that girl today. Now true Enogie. Even me today, now true this Enogie. I say, no. Majority of us don't know this girl from Adam. We never knew her. I was even hearing that when she opened live stream, maybe about 7, 10, 80 people, whatever, they watch her. You get? But now she go just come, now because they play clock hits, 1K they watch her. So it's like, he just give her free publicity. But I think she bought it. And now wait till she want be that. You get? So now that one they pain and say, you when me give publicity, when people don't know. For you to use that same publicity to impact me positively, whether relationship work or not work, it go or not go. You can't go to give person, we be say, mark my picture, they saga my wife, they saga me. You get? So I think that one also generated all this thing we say we are not calling jealousy. It cannot be jealousy in a way. I'm just speaking from two angles. But as a man, my brother, I will still tell you, like I always use the word, tell friend truth, not the spoil friendship. You suppose just let this whole thing slide. Because say you not fit keep them to yourself, your emotions, you were unable to control it. Now I bring all these things come. Because if you had not come out to speak all these things, I for not hear. The next person for not hear. If I just overlook the girl, just rest. Block her, if that's the case. That's emotional disturbance where this side of you say, after all you did. Because then number two, they say your wife was always going to that platform. She was always going to that platform, thinking that, this na person they support my husband. Why I not go support her? This is what you call feminism. What some women don't understand. Feminism is supporting your fellow woman in a positive way, building her up to attain a certain level in life. Not be to join her, fight man, like some people don't understand, because they don't understand the meaning of feminism. That was what she was doing. So she felt heartbroken, like the woman I was supporting, seeing her as a lovely sister, seeing her as a family friend. I was going to her platform to support her. At the end of the day, she happens to be the venomous snake that I'm supposed to be running from. So this is where our fear came from, and this is where our emotional eruption, is gushing out from. But in another way, is she supposed to be coming out to speak like this? To insult the husband? No. Does she have the right to react? Yes. Because we are all human. Like I always say, if you slap me, not especially I can't slap you. I feel use ball to break your head. I feel use block, I'll knock your head. I think arrest you. I think do anything I want to do you. Not be the way you take do me, I'll take do you. So this is why most times we should always be careful of the actions we take, because the consequences might be brutal than the way we see it. You understand? So that one, on that part, we say, I go let people understand. But in all, I will still tell Enogie, my brother, no matter what your wife tell you for inside this period, just lock up. If possible, stay off social media at the moment. And Mommy Nora, please, stay off social media, as in social media at the moment, because the more you come online, the way people say, you go, they bring back that emotional trauma again, and you go come, they erupt again, begin to act again. We are not here, like me now, I'm not here for entertainment. You know what they do on social media. You know, understand? I'm not enjoying what is happening to you right now. Now, let person don't know the value of family. Now they are PC, the sister take care of depression. So, mommy, I beg you again, in the name of God, respect your husband, because not be only your husband be social media presenter. We get many presenters for this social media here. Both men and women, they don't bring their husbands out. They don't bring their wives out to rubbish them on social media. All of us today here, we get our bass boots for his house. All of us here. I can tell you that majority of, as in like this 490 now, 500 people, as in watching now, I can tell you that 60% of us with the here now, we get family problem, we get marital problems here, but they keep their own for his house. So if anybody bring their own on social media, who go call they watch you? Nobody go watch you because why? As you dey talk your own, I dey talk my own. Nobody go watch you. But others keep their own. They use you. They cure their own depression. They cure their own trauma. The later they constantly calm down. So please, mommy, I'll beg you, I will go. Keep your own for his house. Arrange your own. Not be your husband. Now he sing pass. Not be you. Now I don't see this kind of thing pass. You never will say anything. Thank God now say, what if the girl can't come? Mama, see where God for save you. What if this lady had come? She can't come Germany now, for example now. Or you can't go this in UK. You don't know say that your enemy. Or maybe, for example, now let's just say, for example, maybe she don't marry. She not tell your husband say she don't marry. Then they do the things they normal play. You also okay, maybe you just go pay visit to one strong supporter of Enogie. Just the way I see be found to your husband now. Then you go greet her. You go come prepare tetraclozine, all those mimosine, PhDzine, aclizine, all those zinzine. You come put on zinzine, add and enjoy your food. You come at Germany. Because they do, in my not to know, nobody go know. We not go know. You can buy. Because why? You were not environmentally conscious. You don't know who your enemy be. So sometimes when they say, make woman else the search phone, you know, in a way, because like me now, my phone they always dey ground. I'll give myself take the example. My phone they always dey ground. Now before now I know they keep my phone for ground, but you know, since I can't be a very stable relationship, I know say the woman I dey with they okay for me, I dey okay for her. Our phone is always on the ground, my phone is always on the ground, so I know they care. My baby they always watch me most times, so I'm not lying. You get? So I go beg you again, madam, please. If you know say the man where you deal with, because they tell you now as an adult sister, as an adult sister where you be to me, because normally I'm supposed to denounce you, because that shame you bring come give us. As an adult sister where you be to me, if you know say the man where dey Nigeria, you don't want him anymore. Tell the man to go and face the reality of life. Say, okay, you are not single because you cannot be married. You say another man come knock you waiting not good. Are you kidding? Are you kidding? Is this our norms? Are you not giving the narrative that in Edo, this as in such things should be tolerated, or we do such things? I'm on Edo working here. Where's Edo? So I don't understand. So no game for instance, though already, you don't say I'm your piawoge. You say sorry agua, our okpiawe ni agua for man and woman matter. I understand, say they do as such not day. Now mostly the woman hand the day. But in any way, and for those men where they do those things too, let me see this what they talk to now. Una will be safe now, see married woman. Now then una bola go the rise. You guys should be very careful. Be very, very careful. Because they can't cause what they put for yourself. And they can't call your family. It's very, very bad. You see, whether as you say now Oyibo, man mean, you know mean. Oyibo na human being. Be very careful. If you don't want to stay marriage again, come out by your hand. It is not by force. They don't hold your neck. You'll be woman, you marry Oyibo, you'll see the neck black. You be black, you marry Oyibo, see the neck another black woman. You understand? So you guys, be very careful. Marriage not sweet you, come out. That's what it just be. Mostly, when I remove that from marriage to my body, wala wo. I just dey beg all of you now. My agenda, I beg. Thank you.
Hey, Lisa, baby. Lisa, you are welcome.
I greet you. Good afternoon, good morning, everyone from my side.
Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. So,
Is it my
Lisa,
turn?
yeah, you want to say something?
Okay, I don't have much to say though, but all these things has been happening for 3 days. I'm I'm disappointed on some women, especially those that said they are a bit educated. So sometimes it's like they're a piece of shit. They don't even go school. For some kind of character where they possess out there, you know. So as a married woman, even though you are filing for a divorce, is not yet ready, you shouldn't do a thing like this, because Enogie and his family, they are non-hidden people. Everybody knows them. You understand? Everybody knows them. You can't say you don't know. If at all is even the one that came to you. if at all he's the one that came to you, you have every right to reject him because you already knew his family. But this case now you can't go to the guy, which is very, very, very bad. Where are they blame Enogie? For the video he played before he started releasing the audio, he said it that from the beginning, the lady did not tell him he was married, but he knew that she was married. That is the problem I have. You knew this person was married. Then why did you keep listening to that kind of conversation? Why were you replying this lady? Now you are playing a voice. We are only hearing this lady. We did not hear your version. You understand? That is where I blame him. The moment you knew or your instinct told you that this person is married, you should have deviated yourself from this person. Avoid this person. Okay? Tell her, if you are gifting me just because you like me, you are welcome. But I can't keep this conversation with you. Because he said it himself. She didn't tell me, but I knew she was married. That is where the error comes from. We say men does not have our. Yes, men does not have our. But this situation, that is our. As a man, you are not supposed to look another woman who is married. You are not supposed to admire them. You are not supposed to keep such conversation with them. You understand? And I was here, one lady said, we cannot blame him. We are not blaming him. We are not blaming him. We are only telling him he was wrong because this person was married. That's the only thing. If she was a single girl, nobody will call Enogie's name in this matter. Okay? That lady was not single. And that lady husband right now, I don't know. That man, we need to pray for him. He needs help. He needs courage. He needs support. They need to check him emotionally, physically. That guy needs support because this is really hurting. Only God knows how he's feeling right now. What is going on around him. We are all just focusing on Enogie and these people. We don't already do media. They are strong. But what about the husband who is not a media person? As they are dragging the wife, the thing is reaching out to him. And only God knows how he's taking it. Bringing Mama Nora as well. Mama Gallant, thank you so much. Even yesterday, there was a platform. I was giving her a compliment, how she's handling it, everything. But the next minute, boom, everywhere explode. I was so surprised and I was shocked. You understand? Women should also learn how to really talk to their husband, no matter what, especially in the public place. If you don't do it privately, if you do it for public, nobody will believe you that you have never talked to this man like this. None will talk of public almost all the time. You know, she was trying her best not to get angry over this situation, but I don't know what happened. Everything just exploded. And sometimes our men, when you are wrong, you accept it that you are wrong. It helps calm the woman's anger or nerves down when you accept it. When you say there's nothing too big to say, I'm sorry my wife, I mess up, forgive me, no vex, I not try again. You feel you play you feel you, but now you consider like what I do not be she commit me, what is my business? If you come, I'll give and I'll do if it cause another thing. So let's learn to respect each other, keep our marriages out of this kind of situation. A lot still they DM. Even they feel for Enogie, it's not easy. All these women, especially those one where they claim, say, I'm in UK, I'm in Canada, I'm America, I not do a shower. This woman fed do a shower, if I do road work, I guess not. You see, even the ones who do road work, they are the one protecting marriages these days. You see all this one where they say they not date two men before they marry, they are words. So I just feel for her husband. If that man carry this bliss back, I don't know, there's nothing love cannot do. Now, Enogie, we don't know the one which they do privately, we never cast. God made that family, made they think and well before they goes off for this woman, because that woman, now weapon fashion against you. Thank you. I mute.
Proud mommy, are you there?
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Mommy, you are welcome.
Ituwa.
Oh, mommy, you're welcome, ma.
Ituwa kakabo. Niwe juwa gekere. Oh, single mother.
Mama, not be single mother with a
No,
dog.
I have my reason. I hold on, please.
Okay.
Single mother. Not be single mother.
Now me she define the go. She want from my project. Oh, baby, man. Now me she come from. No worry. You know me. Now me,
Mike,
My Ivano, me tell a single mother, wa proud mother with him. Wa river talk you. Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
joke apart. Even is that I'm your one and I agree. I'm your one and I
Mommy,
agree.
English.
Okay, no house where they know the quarrel. All house get their ups and downs. Enogie is a popular person. Okay, can where enemy ray front and back. Many Jenny self, okay, can you know, a mania good one before yourself, you have to be mindful. So, maybe I will no.
Mommy, English.
Oh, sorry.
I better leave my sister and I do she enjoy pass. Oh yeah, you're
So,
not preaching for pigeon, I beg. Now
okay,
I do
wait
the
till
suit
me.
pass.
Okay, me pa Enogie is a popular person. May him be careful because as he did so, even in so enemy life is at risk because enemy dey front and back, and the closest person to him now, in my own point of view, na him wife. So if you not keep secret to your wife, who will not protect you in the time of, danger and all that? It's not fair. And to the married woman, please, you need to come register for our single mother because not be marriage you dey. We go accept you, not be marriage you dey at all. And Madam,
Mama, name na clock it.
okay, clock it. And Madam Ije Nora, la wo. Lao, even nuna lele different panic here. And when it console you well, the people that console you, other people that don't. My dear sister, you don't know your enemy too. Oh. You don't know your enemy. If you want deal with your husband for inside, deal with them for inside house, without bringing it outside for social media. And another thing again, if marriage tire you, if the man is tired of this marriage, there's no need of pretending. No need to pretend. You just, the earlier the better. Instead of having headache every day. No need. Wait till you know say this relationship, it not go work in 2 years time or in 10 years time. Why not make a decision early? Why not make why you not make that decision first? Your peace of mind come first. Like person like me, I don't joke with my peace of mind though. I don't joke with it. Mama Nora, if you want to be there with your husband, please, the earlier the better. Cover your all those dirtiness. Go dig am out for her inside house. If you know, say you know within your mind, you know, say this marriage no go work. The earlier the better. Peace of mind first, because now person will get peace of mind. Now they fight for marriage. Now waiting me, I see there be that oh. Waya wadom. E pack manede.
Yeah, mama, we hear you properly. Everywhere clear. Thank
Call
you
my
for
name,
that.
Mama
please.
Nora, I beg you.
Proud mother, proud
Not listen to
mother.
peace of mind, though.
God beat me,
Your
God beat me,
husband
proud
love you.
mother.
Not listen to any peace of mind, though. Your husband
Yes,
love
yeah.
you.
Now proud mother
No,
talk am.
if I say peace of mind, I talk to the man and the woman, not only the woman. Please don't get me wrong. Please,
Yeah,
everybody
yeah.
have their own opinion.
Yeah,
Please,
it's very necessary. Oh. If you know so you did marriage, that to the manage, just come out. Because you know understand what peace of mind
it's
mean.
not
I'm
the
telling you.
peace of mind. No listen to
It's the
peace of mind.
best.
Why you are done, my sister princess, Madam Galan? Make I just
Mommy is
make I
good.
just join on now. I don't
Thank
want
you,
take care,
mommy.
take care,
Thank you,
take care.
mommy. Thank you, mommy. So, please control the house. Next,
Okay. I think I should bring some people up then. Bring somebody up. All right. Ufu, I don't know the name, sir. Not Vesu.
Ufoma.
Ufuoma, okay, thank you. Sorry, because you did na compact word, so I not fit pronounce everything same time. You're not separated. So, madam, you're welcome. So, what's your contribution? Thank you.
So me, I don't dey follow this family. Me na my first time to dey talk for all this TikTok. For me, Enogie and him wife, I thought they followed a long time for Facebook, for the sake of TikTok. He said the wife, he get friend wey fit dey courage am. Because the way they attack that husband is too much. It's too much. I remember one at this last month, the man they complain say 9 years in social media, he not achieve anything. He so start this humanitarian work. Now he call the things called they go where. So that woman supposed to encourage the man because all these things are saga. Now he cause all this problem we call long. No say we saga all day, problem all day. Every day go dey lead to different things. Now wetin me I see say they cause all this their problem. He say a wife go fit just dey study all those study her husband. No home is good. You understand me? The thing is too much. Every time you and your husband, it's too much. Now they play love pass, now they fight pass. No home wey quarrel not dey. But this year is getting too much. Say the woman fit just comot for this TikTok for some time, relax, make break calm down because she dey try you, I no fit o. That woman strong, eh? God forbid bad thing, not easy. Now wetin I fit talk with this? Thank you.
Thank you, Mama. Okay, Joy, you want to speak?
I be one hard join wetin mama talk.
Okay, no problem. You can see you speaking, no problem.
Okay, thank you, sir. Everybody they condemn the acts, say wetin mama Nora do is very bad. Know that. But I still dey repeat wetin I talk, say, may we not forget, say, those two people, they are couples and na the same work that they do, which is their social media presenter. Ever since then, they not hear mama Nora voice. That woman has been supporting her husband because where she don't make us understand, say her husband na the man when she dream of to get, and she thank God say her husband don't change. No woman where her husband go dey treat well, the woman go come dey disgrace her husband for public. The woman don't change when her husband decide to change. But this particular one, na because say her husband drag her himself. Not be mama Nora drag her husband. No. Now her husband na drag him own self on social media. So for the public, Mona not vex na the way me say they look am. For the public to come say mama Nora not side her husband, na make mama Nora come out for public, come they embarrass her husband for public. So that the public go know say, I'm not really side my husband. But was that really called for? No. She do and well? No. Was she wrong? Yes, she was. But she's used to it. That's the only way she can bring down her anger. That woman a kind of person will be say if she dey vex, she go like to talk everything. She's used to it. If we like me we talk her today, go reach tomorrow. Now wetin she don dey used to, na be that. If her husband not trigger her, she not go come outside. We not be presenter and I make am we dey talk am because me I not go feel insult my husband for public. Talk more of social media, and I not go feel still encourage any woman to bring her own husband to public to come beat him. Maybe you for beat your husband, I think you for beat yourself. If you bring your husband down for public now because say a Enogie get steez and he get maths and he get style, and make people still dey respect her. If you bring your husband come at me, if you humiliate your husband, other women will join you to humiliate your husband. Now the way you carry your husband, now some people take carry your husband. People still dey respect Enogie because now the way Enogie take get maths, because talk dey maths. He know how to make people laugh. If you do some more saga, you go add some more laugh join, and I mean people say they respect her. But when I not forget, say if you still they do the saga, or if you and the wife they do saga, and the wife they give her small start, they give her pami. I will say if mama Nora and a person will be private person. Now when he husband will do some kind of way, you know that now not go hear her voice. No say not be kind of person where she be, but now the kind of person where mama Nora be.
So me, I don't know the way she go take stop am because e don be part of her and not be the first time. And when her husband go decided to say he want calm down, now the woman say he go still take calm down for the husband. So na my own point be that one.
Okay, mommy, thank you. So let me add little to that. When I did with the come just now, so I think somebody made mention of such thing. You see this life, a friend of mine said this thing long time to me. He said women are raw materials, all women. He said now you come now you take sew and make it take form the kind of cloth you want wear and the shape you want, everything. So, and it's true. You see, one thing about women be like omomo, babies. The way you take train them, that's what they'll take represent you in future. So that one just as a see for one part. Why I talk like this, we say, now what you teach your wife, now she go present for future tomorrow. If they do presenter, just like you know they do, your wife will look you, he go monitor you, study you, come become an expert also. If they do saga, she go monitor you, watch you, become an expert. Now check all live presenters. Those who they do normal presentation and where they add saga or they do this one, you go see and say now waiting their wives also they do too. Depending on how brutal the person as in saga be or whatever. Just check all. Majority of them, their wife they do the same thing too. But the truth is this. Should we as a normalize such act? The answer is no. We shouldn't. A man supposed know how to teach a child and when to tell the child, say, stop. We fit teach our children, say, be defensive. Protect yourself. You know me say, if I want to strike that pikin, make it defend himself, make all the fight me. I don't know if I get my point. I feel train pikin, no, make they defensive, like you person want bully you, or person want beat you for outside. Make you defend yourself back, fight back. You know me say, if my pikin do something bad, I want to strike him, make him come fight me. And that problem there. So this is how we should know how to nurture children and also how to nurture our wife, because the responsibility they our brother neck. Now if pikin be for a dodo say, have you be a kawevo? Where are your children? But they can never ask the wife, say, have you be a leka wevo? It's not possible. Don't say, Eruwabo, your papa, where your papa? That's what they call her. Eruwabo, where una papa, where una papa? That is if you see her with the children. Eruwabo, they be Ryan. Hope is fine, yes. But when they see the man, have you be a leka wevo? Are your children? So you see the thing as in the two different ways this situation. So this is why when you are nurturing a woman as a raw material, forget that she don't go some other relationship before, because most women will be so married today or will date with today, not be we start them. They don't first date before. So as you meet her in that distress, you go restructure her again. You will build that into a new form. Now that form when you build, now she will come be for your life. So the time bomb where day to day, I will still talk him again. Now wait till my brother nurture for grant. Because somebody tell me, say this woman wasn't talking like this before. Amate Agwan. She was not the talker before. I saying she not the talk. Say before when I no get the talk, she could just sit down soon. She could watch her. Then what it can happen? Why she can't get strong now? She can't get a strong media force. Now because of say her brother teach her to do these things. So she don't get used to that. The thing don't enter her blood already. So it will take time before this kind of thing feel leave her body. And I see the husband. I go feel stop her. But it will take her time. Because it go hard because of what we have been. So there's nothing we can say because the lifestyle she lives and the lifestyle the husband lives is on social media. And this is why most times we should learn how to control the social media. Rather, we should use it to impact people rather than use it to break ourselves. That's why I thought say social media most times they break many homes. They break because if there was no TikTok or Facebook, I think say these whole things they will sort out from inside house. And when we will see them for outside, we'll say, wow, see decent family, see sweet family. Because why? Social media don't see all these things. But because the social media can't it can't become a yardstick for people to come on social media to start insulting themselves, denigrating themselves into, I know what I will call her. So now that one is CC for that part, okay? So now my brother and everything still there. Arrange your house the way you want to make it be. But that will not give you the yardstick as a woman to begin to insult your husband publicly. You know publicly. Say it is an abomination, Mommy Nora. You know. It's our tradition. Ask properly in case you don't know. And your husband from the lineage, Egbe Lagisan, we dey forbid them. Egbe Lagisan everything. We dey forbid them. You know the family way for come. So we dey forbid them. So That one is for that one. So that's all I can say for now. If there's another thing, I will also say later in the day. Thank you.
Ekman, can I quickly say something about that? Yeah?
Yeah,
Okay.
you can.
All right.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. I actually did work. I was kind of far from the phone, but I get my plugs for ear, so I did listen. I don't know the lady that spoke before you. The reason why me personally I like conversation like this because Bini say audio one or one. You understand? My grandmother they always talk something to say a behavior that is unchallenged is interpreted to be what? Accepted. That behavior is acceptable. You see, for the fact that we know certain types of persons, saying that their modus operandi, the way that they do things be that, does not make it right or acceptable in our society. Why are we saying this? The reason why we're having this conversation is for the betterment of our society. So that some of us go learn, say, teeth and tongue, they quarrel, but they still remain inside mouth. We can have misunderstanding. The people that are dear to us, let us learn how to protect our own. Tear your wife or tear your husband inside house. You can do whatever you want to do with your partner inside house. You see that public disgrace, shame, where they give your husband. It may be from a place of genuine intention or you are trying to prove a point, but you cannot determine public interpretation to that behavior. You see? So if you publicly come out, I felt make one parable just now say, if me will get clothes, I call that clothes. If I don't know the value of that clothes, or another person will not get that cloth, go use that cloth, take clean ground. If you can publicly come out and do what? And insult or use derogatory words on your wife or husband, do not expect people to respect that same wife or husband. You see? And this is something we need to speak to, especially the younger generation. Because some of us just we have never been told or taught how to behave either in private or in public. And for psychology, what they call principles of reinforcement. When something not dey right, when the people, when they get sense, when God give wisdom, when they close their mouth to talk, what does that say? It shows that society now spoil it, spoil so. You see, on no account, the more reason why we they talk say, you sense they scratch your body, may you not to scratch and may blood not come out. From a place of you being right, you become wrong. And lashing out, was she wrong? Absolutely wrong. Not. There's nobody you will betray that is going to be happy. You understand? But the thing is this, we also need to also learn, say, this kind of situation, from a place of being right now, mommy, you don't use tie, take or less thing. But like what some of our sister talk since now, this thing is not something that just happened today. It has always been a pattern. But how can this pattern be changed and fixed? My people, if you know me the longest on this app, now therapy. And even conversations like this, it is also therapeutic. Some of us today, and after this conversation, if we come out today, we go learn one or two things come out for here. That is the essence of having a good, rational, reasonable conversations with some people where it gets sense, not be everybody. You see? So, and from the same place too, you cannot beat a person and still tell that person not to cry. But you where they cry, make sure say, as you they cry, may you know where you for the cry. And as you they clean your eye, they use the other eye till they look. May you not go cry, waka enter train where they on the speed lane they go. You see? So and I'm going to end up with this. I beg, make we try. Not be everything we need to come. We'll come begin to do men support men or women support women. When we see what is wrong in our society, let's call a spade a spade. Let us call it out. Ekman, thanks. I mute my mic.
Thank you,
Yes,
sis.
yes,
Thank you.
I feel contribute more. Just
Okay,
one
Mama, you
minute.
can. Why not? You can. No problem.
Thank you. My own contribution we say they say na say finish. Now they make small picking, they see elderly man in the morning, you say how far now. You understand? All these things when we dey talk about so now say finish now be all this. Now no say woman they see man finish. He get the position when man go put himself. The woman will say I finish. Not be everything. You see this saga when we see the two of them, they always they do. As everybody they talk, it be like pattern. But you see that thing don't grow for inside the wife body. And this situation where happen so, no matter wetin happen, as e be say na the husband come dey place the cassette for everybody come dey hear. Wetin the woman supposed to do? Off camera, e go give your husband the peace of mind. Wetin he think, how he feel, e go make the man know. You understand? E go let am know say how e be. Even though say like according to wetin I say, they go the woman platform. E go let the man know how he take disrespect him before that woman for encouraging the discussion. Not be say the man don't do another thing. No. For encouraging and for making that woman to say such things or this baby whatever. You understand? That one are off camera because for this one when they come out, they cause the man, it don't make sense. In fact, he disgraced the man and he also disgraced himself. You'll be like, just come out, come they tell the world yourself when we say they don't even care. We want just see how we want to fight, how we want to quarrel. It don't concern us. You understand? When man and woman don't marry, they don't call themselves husband and wife. They get some kind of issues when we say that they settle inside quietly. And I dey tell you, no man, no matter how that man will be, he must listen to his wife. Something he must sit down and think, see how he take let his wife down for another person. But if you come out, come dey shout, everybody come dey hear, who no reach to talk to the man, who come dey insult am, who fair dey respect the man, who come disrespect am. At the end of the day, the both he dey evil himself. Because one day saga go come, all these things they go still play am. They go still remind her about her. And the man not just that make the yeye woman they do clock it for them. The mugu they do clock it for you mad man at the quarrel, which concern me because person when not get shame, like all that person like that woman, he don't use the shame by guguru tete. Now he pattern in they toast people they go. They toast men. Now you won't work with that. But for this woman, you're not supposed to insult that man. I just sit there for live program. How did they do me the shame sometime? Thank you. My time don't finish. I just follow time on another person. Okay. Another person.
Thank you so much.
Yeah,
Okay, Miss.
everyone. Thank you.
Yeah.
From individuals involved, I'm seeing people who are not healed from the past. For a woman to come to social media, first of all, about the clock it, to say, na normal, we don't run them, na normal thing. There's something that happened in the past that is making a woman to be so courageous and come on social media and talk the way she's talking. Same applies to Mama Nora as well. Say nothing go fit happen. That means something has happened that they've not healed from. You understand? So I just want to advise some people in marriage or relationship. If a man has done something to you or a woman has done something to you in a relationship, if you can't stand it anymore, you leave. Okay? There's nothing like bearing it. Let me stay there. Let me see what, maybe it will work because of kids and all that. Then subsequently, things will start happening. You start cheating on yourselves.
to the extent you start disrespecting whoever your significant other on social media, you know. Heal from it, separate. They all need a therapist. They need to go for a therapeutic session. They should book for it. That's what I'm going to say. They should all go for it. You know, this thing now don't happen. They will all go back to their normal life again. If they don't tackle and handle this thing, go for a session, this thing will repeat itself again. We are saying Mama Laura is talking on social media, fine. When she's talking, she's going back to what has happened before. That woman is hurting again. You understand? They need to go for a session. It's not about this social media thing they are doing. Their life is all about social media. They are going for the views and all that. I will advise them to go down from social media, offline, totally. They should go for a proper session, therapeutic session. This thing is a mental thing, and it will continue to happen. We are all going to say our thing here, but it's going to happen again. We will only advise, but if they don't sit and caution themselves, talk to themselves, speak to a therapist, it's going to happen again. That's all I have to say. Thank you.
Thank you. Mommy. Oh, Pratt. No, sir, I should give me this money gone now. Okay, Pratt single mother. Thank you. Thank you guys for the gift. I'm just seeing the gift now. Who else want to say something? Anybody else? Anybody else? Okay.
Something.
Okay, you can. Why not?
It's kind of a question at the same time. Situation like this, how would they fix it? We are just saying they should go for therapy. Yes, it's fine. But at the same time, how would they fix it? Should the man leave social media? Because whether therapy or not, some women are naturally ashawowo. They use eye see men that are a bit popular. By the time that man is a public figure out there, all these women will go to their DM. The loyalty they don't give to their husband, they start giving it to another man's husband. The respect they don't give to their husband, they start giving it to another man's husband. And before you know, that man will be thinking, I wish this person is my wife. Probably one way or the other, the wife is a bit not speaking the way this person is speaking to them. Forgetting that if you divorce your wife for this man, for this woman, by the time this woman fully become your wife again, the same thing will still occur. And it also happens to women. Some women, when woman is out there sweet talking them, they think they have married the wrong person in their home. The man they are living with is no longer a human being. But if you leave this man and you follow the one that is sweeting you right now, next year you will come and speak another English. Therapy or not, I think what we should do now, because this thing, I've come to realize that there are thousands of women who are doing this thing, married or not, that just love to chase people's husband. It is bad. They love to chase people's husband. They love to prove what they are not, just to deceive that man. Before they say men deceive women, the women are deceiving men. They are causing this single mother, this wahala. A lot of men are running out of their home, following side chick, and at the end of the day, no level. So my question is, how are we going to fix it? Because this thing is not just these people that is happening to. I think it's happening to other people who are not that strong enough to come in a public place to speak out what they are going through in their marriages. That is my question. How will it end? Can therapy really solve this issue?
Okay, that's a very nice and a lovely question. I just hope that some people will listen and understand rather than arguing just because they want to make a point. So, Mommy, thank you for that lovely question. The thing, first of all, where we start from, we say, it is better to prevent something from happening than trying to fix it. You know? Now, why did I say that? First of all, I will give an instance. You see, I'm of the knowledge and of the understanding that it's good for you as a man or as a woman to marry your best friend. Someone with common interests like you. It is very important and very, very essential. Not just because of love, because sometimes we can fall out of love. But when you marry or you are in a relationship with your best friend, I'm telling you, you know, we can compromise most times. Maybe I can fall out of some things or from a lane. You can be like, for the sake of love, you just overlook those things. You get? So this one is the major thing. Now, trying to fix problems like this now, my sister, the best thing I have to do, or I might recommend to them, my own recommendation is this. First of all, the man should put some dignity upon himself. Put dignity upon yourself. Put dignity upon your wife. Your wife first. Because I keep on saying this thing, because I will repeat this word again. You see that video I see yesterday about what this woman do. What this woman do for this man, where people they look at saga. Though it's quite, I don't know how, because now a person will get sense, going to understand what make that woman do that thing. Now, out of love. You know, out of love. Now she did do that thing. If the woman not get you at heart, I will say it again, she for not do what she do. And if you look there too, they have almost similar character, and they fit themselves. The only thing why they see me say this social media, they overuse them. They are supposed to be using social media, but they think they overuse them. So they have to learn how to control this use of social media to better their family. So as the tool of the destruction I'm seeing now is this their social media platform. They should know what they should bring out to say to the people and what not to say to us. Because at first, if my brother not bring this thing on social media, we not go hear these things. And if he had confided on his, as he like, baby, or whatever, see what thing they happen. I'm telling you, these things would have been, would have de-escalated long before now. The woman for don't know. So even the so-called woman are blocking the wife, she for don't know. The annoyance for the inside, if you're not loud. But now, the way you take shock, the way you imagine now, you are not even part of that family. You are not even the wife, nor the sister, nor a family member. You are feeling shocked and you are feeling remorseful. You are even crying. You are feeling pained. What do you expect the woman feel? This is where the betrayal came in. So this is why I say put dignity for your wife body and put dignity for your body. Respect yourself, respect your woman. That's what it be. Because if woman toast you, not be bad thing, no. But that one, when it be say you know the relationship, it's okay. It don't happen to many of us here. Say woman, not be saying a bad thing. But the time when you take come as a woman, no matter. This is a married woman. For crying out loud. Mama Nora is married. The man is married. An established institution. Thou shall not put asunder. You just come and say you want born. You not only want to come chop, you want to come born. That is evil. That's their problem there. So fixing this thing now, go there difficult if they're not ready to fix them. Because you cannot help those that don't want to help themselves. Are they ready to listen? Then they take what they talk since. Because if they are listening and not looking at nobody if you advise me, then it will enter their brain. Because both of them need to sit themselves down and ask themselves this question. What do we want for ourselves? Baby, waiting you like make they do, where make you look outside. Only waiting they do, where you not like, where make you look outside. All these things now waiting they need to sit down and talk. And don't say it. As you don't say nothing, because all those nothing, now they give rise to things like this. Where they bring cheating. I don't say yes, sometimes men are promiscuous. They just want to go chop for outside. But if they chop, use your sense well. When they put things right. In all of these things, respect your woman. And not be everything you do that she need to see. And be very careful. Not carry woman where you date. You cannot say it is very rare for women, shall say woman where they marriage. It is rare, but it happen. You know understand? Say woman where they say you they marry. Go bring our own side